Hello and welcome. I'm your host and your instructor, Lisa Mitrakin, and this is a fragment from my full art course, How to Use Colored Pencils Like a Pro. Enjoy the show, and I hope to see you in class. Having our two main colors established, we can now work on smoothing or enhancing our gradients, depending on what your piece needs. It may need both. I mentioned before that I like to work with blender pencils when working with the Prismacolor brand. For me, blender pencils in this box are the lighter color pencils that are so physically friendly on paper with other pigments that they actually blend them together. So I'm going to bring in this cream pencil. And this cream pencil will make some magical things happen on my page. One, it will actually create new highlights that are a little bit more subtle than something that I could do with white charcoal or white pencil. This cream is lighter than the color of my paper, so adding it to the flower petals creates this beautiful soft 3D effect. Additionally, this cream has a little bit of a yellow undertone. That's something that I'm looking for in my overall vision, in achieving my overall vision. And of course, this cream is also acting as a beautiful blender. So keeping all of those things in mind, keeping in mind that this cream can lighten things up, that it can blend things, and that it can add a little bit of that yellow pigment to the whole composition. Now I'm using it to tune the whole thing. How much do I want the elephant to stand out? How much do I want the elephant to be a little bit more 3D? With this pencil, I can now add a consistent light source to the elephant that matches my main human character, but not as well defined as what we have on her face. So she's still the focal point. She's still the highly lit character, the most lit character, but his light source is now consistent with hers, all because of this light cream. Additionally, because this light cream is so friendly with my darker pencils, with my darker pigments, I can literally add little highlights here and there, giving the whole thing a more three-dimensional look. So even the parts of the trunk that are already really dark, I can add little highlights to them. That's amazing. Every time you bring in a new color, make sure that you add it smoothly and generally everywhere. Don't make it patchy. So even though I have more of this cream up here and a lot less of it down here, I didn't just add it randomly to some elements here and then nothing here. I created a whole new gradient transition wash of this light cream from the top left to the bottom right. So constantly keep in mind all of these interlacing gradients. If you're enjoying this little lesson, you'll be pleased to learn that it's actually part of an entire course consisting of 66 video lessons. The course is called How to Use Colored Pencils Like a Pro, and it's part of my own personal art academy called It's Easy to Draw. I'm going to drop a link to the academy and to the course in the pinned comment below and also in the video description. So go check it out. There's a lot more to learn, and I hope to see you in class. I am now 2.5 hours into it from the very beginning. At this point, no blank of the paper should be showing through anywhere on the characters that you've colored. Yes, the undertone is helping certain effects, but there's no actual naked, uncolored part of the paper anywhere except for my background. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join the full course, How to Use Colored Pencils Like a Pro, in my own art academy called It's Easy to Draw. And once you're there, check out some other courses that are already available to start as well as to pre-order. I'll see you in class.